Hi, it's a pleasant evening, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mami Elona. Don't forget to subscribe. Ayan guys, i-share ko lang sa inyo kasi gagawa po ako ng ice cream na ang flavor is cookies and cream. Kasi guys, nowadays medyo may kamahalan ng ice cream. So, I decided to mag-DIY na lang ako. 'Di ba guys? Para mas medyo cheap. Kasi alam niyo naman, nowadays, very pricey ang mga commodities ngayon. So, I decided to make, this is for my apo, Juan Miguel. He loves ice cream so much. So, I decided to make one. Actually, this is not just the first time that I make, tawag doon, ice cream, homemade. Guys, ito lang ang aking mga ginamit na ingredients because I'm going to make a cookies and cream flavor. On the previous ice cream that I make, ang ginamit ko is mango cheese. Yan. Ito, the same ingredients. The only difference is, ayan guys. Yan. Ang ginamit ko lang kasi medyo mura nga. Alam mo, budget tayo. Before, I was using Oreo. But this time, ito na lang. Kasi masarap din ang quality nito, guys. Bacon and men. Hindi ko po ito, hindi po ako paid para i-promote. Kaya lang talaga I have tried this a lot of times. At talagang masarap. Bacon and men. Choco mucho. Anya, tsaka ito guys, yung cremsada, angel cremsada. 2 lata. At tsaka ito guys, yung condensed. At tsaka isang Nestle cream para hindi masyadong Yan guys. And then, ganito lang siya kasimple guys. Yan. Ito pre-open na. Pinabuksan ko na sa aking partner. So, ilalagay ko lang siya dyan guys. Yan. Pasensya na kayo. Amateur lang po tayo na gumagawa ng video. Ayan guys. And then, ito another one. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ito guys, kasi later hahaluin ko na yan. And then, this one na. Bali, 2 cans yan guys. Angel cremsada. Bacon naman uli. Joke lang. Ayan guys. Medyo halu-haluin mo lang siya. Like that. Oh guys, oh. Diba? Para medyo ma-mix siya ng husto. Tapos, here's the condensed milk. Hindi ko na sa inyo Inflection brand kasi hindi naman siya mamahal. Hindi naman siya kilala. Anyways, siyempre, nowadays, kaya nga sinasabi natin, medyo tight yung budget. Kaya, eto guys, para hindi masyadong matamis. Ito lang yung ginamit ko guys. Yan. And then after that, ilalagay ko na ito. Yan. I-mix-mix lang natin guys. Mekos-mekos lang. Like that. Yan guys. Diba? Mekos-mekos para mag-even yung tamis niya. Yan. At saka yung condensed milk na ginamit. And then, the third is this way. The fourth is this Nestle cream. Ayan. Alam nyo, medyo hindi naman actually sobrang pricey nito. Pero, nowadays, kita nyo naman, Nestle cream. Beke naman ulit. Beke naman lang tayo, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Tak lang. Dagdag pasensya, dagdag unawa. Ayan, guys. Ayan siya. Actually, nagiging creamy na siya. Wala akong electric mixer, so ito lang, guys. Tingnan nyo guys, mihiwalay na yung condense niya. Ayan. Diba guys? Ayan. Actually, may natitira pa dito sa condense ko Kaya lang, later. Ayan. Wala. Isang kamay lang kasi ginagamit ko. Alam nyo naman, ako na nagbibideo, ako pa yung nagsasalita. Diba? Ganun talaga, paraan lang yan guys. Paraan. Ganon. Siyempre, kung kaya mo namang gawin, ganon talaga ang nanay. The mother always do everything para sa ikasasaya ng kanyang children, including ang kanyang grandchildren. Yan guys. Yan guys. Parang din yan Parang pagmamahal yan. Hinay-hinay lang. Huwag masyadong maligali kumbaga. And then ito yung ating fourth na ilalagay natin is itong cookies na inano ko na siya. Pinrechop ko na siya. Kumbaga dinurog ko na siya guys. Yan. Lalagay mo lang siya dyan, guys. And then, mix lang. Yan, guys. Oh, ganyan lang, guys. Oh. Evenly para pag-dissolve na yung ginawa ko, dinurog kong. Ayan, guys. This one. Yan. Guys, oh. Pagtsatsagaan mo lang talaga. Wala eh. This is the only way to make ice cream by your own style. Yan, guys, oh. Yan. Ang ginamit ko lang dyan, to remind you again, my dear subscribers, or who's ever watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Mami Alona. Ayan, guys. Actually, lasang ice cream na yan. Kasi I have done this a lot of times. Ngayon, medyo inisa-isa ko na para madali yung magaya, those na interesado. Kasi iba talaga yung ginawa mo na may pagmamahal, di ba? Kumbaga, personalize. In other terms, personalize ko. Ayan lang, guys, ha. To remind you again, ito, kremsada. Angel, beka naman ulit. Ayan, Angel's kremsada. Tapos, itong Nestle cream. At saka, ito nga, guys. 4 pieces of this. Dinurog ko lang siya. And then itong condensed na to na nabili ko lang sa Dali. Yan, medyo mura-mura kasi ng konti to, guys. Tsaka siguro naman, di naman sobrang tamis to. Ayan, guys. Yan. As simple as this, guys. Tapos ipo-frozen mo na siya. And then, voila. Yun na. Meron ka ng cookies and cream, guys. So, tingnan nyo, nagbabrown na siya. Oh. Pag yan na frozen na, maybe about, kasi yung ref ko, medyo may kalakihan din yung ref ko, guys. So, pag nilagay ko na siya dyan, about a few hours, matigas na yan. Siyempre, flex ko lang. Ang rep ko kasi is inverter. Kaya, walang yelong nag-ano dyan. Yan, guys. And that's all for the day. I hope you learned something from Mommy A. Ayan, guys. O later, lulutang na uli iba dyan. Yung iba dyan, magde-dissolve na. And that's all for the day. That's all for the night. Have a safe day, everyone. This is Mommy A. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bye! God bless!